I wish they'd hurry up and clear those big rocks. We can't start on the small ones until they've finished.
The crane didn't seem to have a problem with my dumping.
What's all that shouting?
It sounds like Carl and Lug are having a fight.
All you ever go on about is Kevin's a crane. Oh, Kevin does it this way. Kevin does it that way. Oh,
And what about you?
me?
All I get is Dental Dumper Trucken used to be able to stay still.
Oh.
Dental Dumper Trucken didn't used to jiggle all about.
Well, it's true. How can I place down my boulders with any accuracy whatsoever with you juddering around like a jackhammer?
A jackhammer?
Yeah.
I'll give you jackhammer.
Oh, really? What are you going to do with your rubber wheels?
Oh no! They're never going to finish a job now. What are we going to do?
Oh, you two stay here. I'll go and tell Bozer. He'll help them to make up.
Help Lug and Carl make up? I don't think so.
Oh.
It's best just to let it run its course when it gets like this. Are they, still talking?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. It's when they stop talking that things get really tricky.
Hold still for a second. What? You're juddering again.
So, what did Bozer say?
He said we should just leave them.
Oh,
But I can't. Look at them.
Here comes Mr. Boulder.
Ha-ha! Missed.
There's only one thing for it. I'm going to have to go and try to help them make up.
How?
Oh, I really don't know. Or maybe I do. Excuse me. I couldn't help but notice you two have had a little, misunderstanding. Oh. And, I just thought it might be a really good idea if you just stopped and, thought about all the good times you've had and the, jobs you've done. And then you might feel like being friends again. All the good times you've had.
No.
Oh, dear. Dumper reversing. A dumper reversing. A dumper...
Well?
I would not be friends with that Dumpentrocken if he was the last machine on Earth. In fact, you can tell him that I no longer wish to speak to him.
What?
And you can tell old clever chassis over there that I no longer wish to speak to him.
Oh, no.
So, Bozer, what do you think about my new style concrete? I was thinking about using it for the new tunnel. It's quick drying, too.
Very nice, Maxine. Lots of character. Smooth. Crunchy, but perfect for the job. Let's go and check out how much you'll need. Mine behind. Mine behind.
Right, think, Diggs, think. If only I could get Carl and Lug working together again. No, but how? They just won't do it. Huh. Unless someone pretends that they're stuck somewhere and they have to come and get them out. Then they'd have to work together. But who am I going to get to pretend to be stuck? Oh, that's funny. Why isn't everything going past anymore? I seem to have stopped. Oh no! This isn't usually here. I've rolled into wet concrete. I can't move. Help!
That was Diggs!
Oh, Diggs! stuff is quick drying. We've got to get him out of there fast.
There is only one way to do this. One of you two will have to go and get Carl and Lug.
I'll go. I'm the speediest.
Oh, hurry! I can feel it drying.
You two have got to come quickly. We need you to help Diggs.
I would rather work with Percy the pugnacious pile driver than work with that crane.
Talk to the back, because the front's not listening.
Look, you two. Diggs is stuck in concrete, and if you can't work out your differences and save him, then you're both as bad as each other. Oh!
Are they coming?
I really don't know.
Emergency concrete rescue team reporting for duty. Come on, Carl. You can do it. You've got the strongest hooky in the business.
Even stronger than Kevin the Crane?
Oh, yes.
Well then. 1 und a 2 und a 3.
You did it.
We're not out of the woods yet. We've still got to get the concrete off his tires. Carl, carefully swing him across and lower him into Lug.
Okay. Lure him in, Carl, and I'll do the rest.
Oh, and this is where that juddering of yours comes in very handy. Oh, what a judderer!
Oh, thank you, Carl. I think you're done, little bucko.
Well done, you two. What a team.
Yes, I suppose we are, aren't we?
Come on then, old friend. Let's go back to work.
All right.
I suppose just because machines argue, it doesn't mean they're not friends.
That's true, but I have to hand it to you, Diggs. That was one top gear plan.
The cleverest one ever.
Plan?
That sticking in the concrete thing. It was your plan, wasn't it?
I suppose you could say that's exactly what it was. It just happened, a little earlier than I expected, that's all.
Anyway, we're friends and we don't argue.
Yes. Well, let's have a quick game of dig in the middle. Fancy not being in the middle.
Well, I don't want to be in the middle.
Neither do I.
You are in the middle.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Get it, Dig. Come on, get it.
Go on, you go first, Harry. I'll
Dig in
catch
the
you up.
middle.